Everyone, this is Kikibo Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin yung reaction video, ang Dawn Bell compilation, because why not? So agad-agad gawa natin yung reaction video. Without further ado, let's start this. Tingnan natin to. Contract signing kahapon. Wait lang, hindi ko maintindihan. Contract signing ni Bell sa ABS-CBN kahapon, and that is the first time na nag-sign daw siya ng contracts, ng contract. Before, ano yung contract niya? Star Magic lang siya? Tama ba? Can you enlighten me? Hindi ko alam, nagulat talaga ako kahapon. So yeah, without further ado, let's start this. Ganda na talaga.
Thank you, Mom. You made me a stronger person.
Ay. Congratulations, Belinda. You deserve it. Ganda ng mom yun, no? You deserve it, Belinda. Deserve na deserve for today's video.
Hindi naman siya tumigil mangarap na i-pursue yung dreams niya someday. It really feels nice to work with him, and yun nga, throughout we get to witness each other's growth too. I love to grow with him too.
I love to grow with him too.
Kasi we started Dawn Bell, 5 years ago?
Baby pa sila. Dawn Bell. I love my Dawn Bell. Sila lang yung hindi toxic na love team na ginagawa ko ng reaction video. Yung tipong alam mo yung may mga bashers pero hindi umaepekto kasi parang halatang fabricated.
Both of us have been vocal about it. Now we're always there to actually just support.
Yes, I love the support system. Champion each other. Ganun ba talaga dapat? Yes.
We've spoken about it naman na parang we want each other to grow. Growth doesn't necessarily mean you guys have to be together or apart from each other. Yeah.
Yes, exactly.
It's not gonna be an easy journey. There will be.
Ganda niya talaga. Matalino talaga siya.
Eto na. Naiyak na.
Ay.
But just believe in yourself, because throughout the 14 years, I would say that it wasn't really easy for me. To our ABS-CBN bosses, thank you so much. I've been waiting for this opportunity. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for all the belief and the trust, even if those times nawalan ako ng belief sa sarili ko.
Ay, bakit?
Nagkaroon ako ng awkward stage, and I would say that that's one of the lowest points, because there's a lot of self-doubt throughout that journey. Yung transition from preteens, medyo mahirap ng hanapan ng role. She has to pause for a while. Pero hindi naman siya tumigil mangarap na i-pursue yung dreams niya someday. And when it was announced that I was gonna portray Max Payne, ang dami ko feedback from online, social media, na you're not...
Yes. I know this.
All you have to do is
I know this. Okay.
pursue their dreams. And that's the message I want to leave with everyone. I just I love you, anak.
Believe in yourself, keep the passion, keep the faith, and nandito na ako.
Ay, atake.
I love working with Donnie. Gumanong ka, di ba? Pwede namang like yung gamitin na word, pero bakit love?
Love. Ayan. Ayan, sagutin mo yan.
Kind of working relationship.
You know, it really feels nice.
Kailan to? Sa contract signing din to?
Throughout, we get to witness each other's growth too. And that's something I love. I love to grow with him too. I
love to grow with him too. I love it.
Nakaka-proud kasi we started Dawn Bell 5 years ago. And then now, he's doing a project with Kyle, and now I'm doing this project naman with Sina Papa P. And nakakatuwa, syempre. And I will always treasure what we do together.
Matalino talaga to si
Beth
Mariano.
I love working with Donnie. So parang we've been both of us have been vocal about it. Now
Tsaka the way siya
we're always
magsalita,
there to
napaka-spontaneous
just
talaga.
support each other and, champion each other in terms of our growth, whether
Champion
it's
each other.
with each other or, apart from each other.
Ay, may continuation pa yun eh. Wait, what is this?
From medyo mahirap ng hanapan ng role. She has to pause for a while.
You have to pause for a minute. I think. Dun pa lang sa tawagan nila eh. Dun pa lang sa tawagan nila, think. Nato, panalo ka na. Isip. Panalo ko na naman. Nato, panalo ka na for today's video, Nato.
Congratulations, Belinda. This is it. As you
Yes.
step now to this
Hindi ko
next
gets,
chapter
bakit
of your
first
career,
contract?
always stay true to
Hindi ko
yourself.
talaga gets,
Let
bakit
your
first
passion
contract
fuel and
niya?
protect your spirit. This is just the beginning and I'll be cheering for you every step of the way.
The roots.
And I will always be your biggest fan. Alam mo yan. I love you, anak.
Sana all.
Working with Belle for so long, I really can see how much she's changed, how much she's grown as a person, as a woman, as an actress. When I first worked with her, magaling na siya na artista eh. Sobrang galing na niya.
Wow, the
But she
words of
never stopped
affirmation from
looking
Nato.
for opportunities.
I love it. Just, nandito lang ako.
I
Ang
don't
ganda.
think I'm a person when you
Ang ganda ng
pursue
edit si
dreams.
Don
That's
Bell.
the message I want to leave with everyone.
Ay. Ay, ano to? Kahit hindi ba di? Don Bell hanggang mag-yellowish siya. Charis. Ang gwapo din talaga ni Nato, no? Ang gwapo din talaga ni Nato. Ay! Charis, gulat ako. Pero alam mo, feeling ko nag-kiss talaga sila dyan, eh. Charis. Wait. Tingnan natin to. Tingnan natin to yung mga repost. Ay, may mga repost. Gwapo ni Donnie. Anyway. Si Donnie yan? Oh. Saan sila ngayon? Ay. Eto. Panoorin natin ito. Ang cutie talaga ni Belinda. Wow. Parang baby, pero feeling ko siya yung baby girl dyan for today's video. Such a baby girl. Wow. Cutie. Cutie. Oh. Anyways, mahaba tong video na to eh. Ay, hello. Wait. May mga ibang video pa eh. May mga ibang video pa. Diyan lang kayo mga mami. Kasi alam ko may mga ibang video. Ay, ito. 18 hours ago. Kanino galing? Kay Papa P? Kay Papa Piolo?
Sabi ko nakaamoy niya eh.
Ay,
Sabi ko,
sabi ko. Kaninong kaamoy, Belinda?
ba't mo ko tinatagalog? You're from US. Come on. Ako'y nagagalak sa iyo. Nilalakbay. Hindi ko maintindihan. Laging tandaan, ako'y nandito para unang...
Naiyak ba siya?
Ano to? Ano to?
Ako yun ang sabi niya na nga. Baka hindi mo nga
Umalaglag.
para umalalay.
Umalaglag.
Malaglag.
Umalalay.
Cutie ni Belinda. Anyways, that is our for today's video over Donbell compilation. This is Kijiva Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!